Hi, so I'm Mike Young with Zoom, and I want to show you something else today. So we've got a relatively new product here, the Zoom F1. It comes in two variations. You've got the SP package, that's this here, that comes with a shotgun microphone mono and a shock mount for mounting on a DSLR camera. The other variation, we've got the LP, and that's just the same device, but also with a lavalier microphone, which someone has stolen fabulously.
Oh, that's a bit grim.
That's all right. So anyways, we've got a simple, solid stereo recording device that's suitable for broadcast kind of stuff. So the SP variant here with the shotgun mic, that's oriented to sort of run and gun sort of operation. So for example, you've got camera running, taking some video and following a skateboarder, and then you're going to need your shotgun microphone right on top to make sense of it in combination with the video.
So does it come with a windshield?
It comes with a foam windscreen. So, you know, not the hairy one, but the foam one, that's included. So, on top we've got an adapter for the Zoom microphone capsules. So that means you can change it out for XY capsule configuration. You can change it out for XLR inputs. We've got a ball-shaped one that does MESSE with 2 capsules, and so on. So, oh yeah, of course, we got a stereo shotgun as well. Down here on the bottom, we've got an input for a lavalier mic, which can supply plug-in power, 2.5 volts, or you can use it as a stereo line input. We've got headphone here, so you can monitor what's going on. We've got settings. We can change here the recording format. You see here we've got 48 kilohertz, 24-bit. We can switch it. There's 96. MP3, if you need to do that, you can even go down to low quality. Yeah, all the kind of stuff you expect. Also the same settings in 16-bit. Let me go back to that. Okay, so we've got a low cut here with a dedicated button. There's a limiter with a dedicated button. If you've attached a lavalier microphone, you're going to need to use this button to change the level. Otherwise, you can do that like this on the capsules, and it's automatically detected what kind of capsule we've attached. In this case, gun. We've got some more options because we can access a menu like this, and then we can do all kinds of stuff, including changing the recording formats. We can change, for example, if we're going to record from the stereo input, normal stereo wave file, or if it will be mono, and so on. We can do also multiple languages. There's support for languages like, of course, Japanese at Zoom, but also German, Italian, Spanish, and French, and Chinese. So that's a feature that not a lot of stuff in this segment can do. You can adjust the LCD contrast and the backlight, and yeah, got some other options here as well. So this is the basic idea of it. It's a simple, small recording device especially for field recording and broadcast purposes. So you can.
Are we talking? Is the quality of something like the H6?
It's a bit different. So it's a different preamp system. In any case, this is a new product, so that means we've got the latest designs as far as converter and preamps go. So also this is designed to be suitable for professional recordings. That is the intention.
And I see. So, are they locking connectors that you have on the bottom here?
Yes, you can. There's a threading here, so you can connect your lavalier microphone, so it's going to stay there. Right. So you want to know the price? So
yeah,
hold
on.
I
want to know the price.
I've got cheat sheet here. I'm not 100% sure on this one. So here we've got the SP package, the F1 SP. That includes the accessories, a shock mount and the shotgun microphone. You can get that in the shop for $250. The F1 LP, that's a package that includes a lavalier microphone instead of the shotgun and the shock mount. You can get that in the shop for $200.